Today, we are taking a look at a modified BTS J-Hope TinyTAN figure from the BTS and McDonald's collaboration. This video focuses on visual presentation, showing J-Hope's head paired with other BTS members' TinyTAN outfit bodies. Let's take a closer look at the different combinations.